Hi there. Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to learn about matter. Look around you. What do you see in your room?
I see a computer, chair, pencil, curtains.
All these objects you have just mentioned are known as matter.
What do you mean by matter?
Let us define. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
But what is mass?
Mass is the amount of matter that makes up an object. To help you identify, you can consider mass as the amount of material that makes up an object. You can measure mass in grams or kilograms. Do not confuse mass with weight. Weight is how heavy an object is, while mass is how much matter an object is made up of.
Okay, let me see if I've got it correct. If I have a small wooden chair and a big wooden chair, am I right to say that the big chair has a greater mass than the small chair?
Yes, you are correct. The amount of matter that makes up the big chair is much more than the small chair. Thus, the big chair has a greater mass. Since balloon B is inflated, it means that the air in balloon B has a greater mass, thus making balloon B heavier than balloon A.
Okay, you also mentioned that matter occupies space. What do you mean by that?
For example, if you want to transfer all your marbles into a small bottle, when the bottle is full, you realize that you cannot add in any more marbles. Also, when you fill a bucket with water, the water will overflow when the bucket is full.
Oh, I see. It means that the marbles and water, which is matter, takes up all the space in the bottle and bucket.
Yep, you are right. Let's try another. We are going to experiment with air this time. When you invert a glass into a basin of water, water does not enter the glass. What does this experiment tell you about air? Alright, we have come to the end of the lesson. Can you give me a summary of what you have understood?
Well, let me see. I have learned that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
Great! Keep this in mind when you attempt the next lesson.